Namaste, my dear students. This is Nandini, your English ma'am. In today's class, we are going to see adverbs. At the end of the session, you will be able to identify the adverbs in sentences, describe the functions of kinds of adverb, rewrite the sentences using the adverbs. Yes. Today we are going to see adverbs. What do you mean by verbs? In the previous class you have learnt the tenses, right? Yes. The words which show actions are called verbs. Adverbs? Yes. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Yes, words that describes an action words are called adverb. They answer the questions such as how something is done, or when something happened, or where something happens. See the example here. Girl runs quickly. Here, quickly tell us how the action happens. That is, quickly describe the action word runs. Like, this is a very sweet mango. Here, very modify the word sweet. Then, Peter reads quite clearly. Here, quite clearly describe the action word reads, right? Let us see some more example. Sleeps quietly. Yes. Quietly describe the action word sleeps. Like beautifully, sings beautifully. Beautifully describe the action word sings. Good. Yes, let us see the types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, then adverbs of frequency. Yes. Adverbs of manner. We use adverbs to describe an action. We usually add ly to an adjective to form an adverb. The adverb comes after the verb in a sentence. Yes, adverbs of manner. Since the words which tell us how the actions happen are called adverb of manner. The words like neatly, quietly, badly, fast, well, hard, softly, they tell us how something is done. They are called adverbs of manner. See the example. Ted sits quietly. Yes, the quietly describe the action word sits, right? Yes, as I told you already, the words like angrily, bravely, busily, cautiously, courageously, greedily, they tell us how something is done. They are called adverbs of manner. Okay. Yes, let us see now adverbs of time. The words which tell us when the action happened, they are called adverbs of time. Yes, the words which tell us when the action happened. Yes. See the example here. Yesterday my friend and I attended a fair. I am still cleaning my room. I will clean my room tomorrow. The words yesterday, still, tomorrow. These adverbs modify the verb clean. Okay. Then Last week I went to the mall. I am going to the mall today. I need to visit the mall next week. The words last week, today, next week, these are all the adverbs modify the verb went, going and need. Yes, the adverbs of time tell us when the action happened. The words like now, then, sometimes, tomorrow, early, late, soon are called adverbs of time. Then adverbs of frequency. Yes. The words which tell us how often the action happened. How the action happened is adverb of manner. When the action happened are called adverb of time. How often the action happened are called adverb of frequency. The words like sometimes, always, usually, generally, often, regularly tell us how often the actions happen. They are called adverbs of frequency. Yes, see the example here. Everyone always speaks well of Mark. Always, usually, normally, often, they tell us how often the action happen. Okay, they are adverbs of frequency. Yes, adverbs of frequency. Usually, the words like usually, always, never, rarely, daily, weekly, monthly, they tell us how often the action happen. Okay. Then adverbs of place. The words which tell us where the action happened, they are called adverbs of place. The words which tell us where the action happened, okay, they are adverbs of place. It is raining heavily outside. Where the action happened? Outside. Okay. Look behind. There is something for you. Behind. Yes. The word behind describe the action. Look. Right. Then look at the knights flying. The action, where the action happened, above, which is the action word here, flying, right? Then adverbs of place ending with where. See, they end in where, that express the idea of location without a specific location or direction. For example, I have nowhere to go now. Nowhere. I would like to go somewhere. Then let us go somewhere and celebrate his birthday. Yes. The adverbs of place that ending in where express the idea of location without a specific location or direction. I have nowhere to go. The building is getting reconstructed soon. We will have to move somewhere else. Elsewhere. Okay. Now, question time. You have to answer to me. They are to be married soundly or next week. Yes, next week. It is adverb of time, right? It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. This is adverb of manner. The old man walks slowly. This is also tell us how something is done. So adverb of manner, right? I will come there tomorrow. This is adverb of time. Thank you, students.